Damn, Gina. But I'm really excited about this look. I mean, I think I did the damn thing. Y'all feel me? Look at this. Alright, so the sun is out. This is hella natural light coming in, guys, which is why I love filming during the day. Like, my forehead is this natural shine. Alright, so yeah, let's just chat. I'm just gonna get into it. Alright, so something that I like to do to set my eyes, my eyelids, to prep them for my shadow, is literally just apply more concealer to it. So you can blend this out with a brush, or you can go in with your Beautyblender, whatever works best for you. But okay, so I'm going in with my shadow. Like I said, this is Dusty Rose off of the Violet Voss palette, their Essential palette. So I'm just taking my fluffy brush, taking my shadow, and just lightly going back and forth in my crease. About what I'm gonna do. So don't know how this is gonna go, but I'm gonna go back in with my concealer brush. Yes, it's janky. I need some more. Let's just go ahead and add all of this to my birthday list. Okay, this baby has thugged it out with me. And then I'm gonna take my NARS concealer that I used to go under my eye again, or my eyebrow, and I'm gonna lightly place that on top. All right, I'm just gonna take a smaller brush here. I'm gonna dip it into this shade here. This is pink. So pretty. I'm taking my fluffy brush. This is another Sephora fluffy brush. I'm going into my brown here. I usually just use this alone by itself. Yeah, to make this a little bit more natural-like smoky-like. I'm taking it and I'm just blending out the corners, dragging that into my crease, and making sure everything blends seamlessly here. And then I'm going in with my Hourglass. Oh guys, this stuff right here is amazing. I'm just dabbing it in there, and then what I'm doing is placing this right over top of the pink that I just applied. So once I have these placed on my lid, you see where there's a dark crease or a dark cut, I feel like. That's where I'm taking my brown from this palette here, dipping my fluffy brush. And what I'm doing is starting at the corners and blending in at the crease. Alright, so now onto my actual face. So this is Beautyblender Opal Essence. Alright, so now that I have my primer on, I'm just gonna go ahead and start. Like, my face is my ultimate favorite thing to do besides my eyebrows. So I like to just go ahead in with my concealer brush, and just put some concealer over my imperfections. I went with my Beautyblender, my foundation. I'm using the NARS. Blend this out. Blended. Right now I'm taking my concealer. it's gonna be full glam beat, so this is not something that I do all the time. I'm taking my Pro Concealer here. This is the yellow one, and I guess people typically use this to color correct, but I like to just mix this in to contour and highlight. There we go. Now that I have everything on my face, I'm gonna go ahead through and blend everything out. Take my Beautyblender and then just like press it in here. I'm just gonna press it in all the areas that I just applied my concealer to highlight. All right, so I'm also gonna put it around my mouth for smile lines, anything like that. Alright, so while that's sitting, since this is more of a stronger glam, oh my god, it's sitting. I guess I am baking, but this isn't like baking powder. This is translucent powder. But I'm not gonna let it sit on there too long, so let me just stop talking. So I'm gonna go in with my Sephora. I love to contour with this stick, guys. It's called Make No Mistake by Sephora. The color is Ebony 16. I already have really strong cheekbones, as you guys can see here. I'm just gonna dabble them here and along my hairline as well, just to give it a little bit more like a little bit more color, a little bit more like shine to it, okay? What I'm going to do now is just set under where I just applied my contour. I'm putting it on the flat part, taking it, dragging it straight across. And not a lot because I don't want any backflash or shadows. Is I took a little bit more of this pink and I applied it back on top of the gold. I'm doing a little bit of a pinker look. I have my Juvias palette here, one of my faves. Obsessed already. Love, love, love. All right, I'm gonna go in here with this pure Sculptor, and it's PUR. Probably just use a little bit of this. I don't even need to use a lot, so just lightly. I'm gonna go with my Anastasia here lightly because the stuff definitely comes off strong. I actually like to rub it like this a little bit, but. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs. Alright, so now that my eyes are officially done, I'm in love so far with this look. I pat myself on the back for this look. I'm gonna go in, of course, I'm gonna use my blush. This is one of my new favorite blushes that I like to use here. Alright, so highlight wise, I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced Fancy Pink Diamond. Y'all know I like fancy pink diamonds. I mean, who doesn't? On top of this, because I love this so much, I'm just gonna apply my Becca to my cheeks and stuff, just to make sure it's still like golden-ish and not so much bright. All right, so for my setting spray, let's use my Huda Beauty. extra hold. It's gonna get me throughout all today and the night. Like, I love this stuff. For my lips, I'm still gonna slightly line, and then I'm gonna just see what I can toss together for a combination. I'm gonna go ahead and start styling my hair. This hair makes me feel like poke a motherfucking harness. Yeah, first things first, what I'm gonna do is go in with my Kalanis Beauty. This is her Edge Control Serum. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and like brush down my edges. What I'm gonna do is just go in very lightly and add some wand curls. I'm just gonna randomly pick pieces and then just start curling with my wand curl here. To hold this for about 10 seconds, and then what I'll do is cuff it in my hands. I usually use a different hairspray, but today all I got is Gatsby, so it's gonna have to work today. Alright, so I'm taking another piece, brushing it through. I already have my thermal spray, starting up at the top. Take my hairspray, let it sit, and let it go. Alright, so my hair is nice and curled. This is what it looks like. Did some wand curls on them. My face is done. So right now I'm just gonna go through and just do like this with my hand. Valentine's Day look. I really hope that you enjoyed this getting ready with me, and I hope that some of you try this amazing eyeshadow look that I put together. Wow, the pop of pink here at the bottom really makes the look. If somebody doesn't wear this on the day, I'm gonna be sad. I will list all products down below. Really excited about this look. I mean, I think I did the damn thing. Y'all feel me? Look at this. I mean, I have to head out because I'm running late per usual. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this look, and until next time,